Some of the most common sexual problems that men experience include erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. It is impossible to satisfy your woman if you get weak erections or if you are not able to last long enough during intercourse. Erectile dysfunction is common among men and is largely a result of poor blood flow to the penis. Emotional or psychological factors can also take a toll on your ability to get a harder and stronger erection. Listed below are some of the best ways to get harder erections. 1. Lose that belly fat. Excess belly fat is linked with cardiac disorder and other health problems such as type 2 diabetes. Anything that is bad for your heart is bad for your penis too. Thus, it is a good idea to trim your midsection. Regular exercise and a proper diet can help you get rid of excess belly fat. You can also use a natural fat burner like green coffee or Garcinia cambogia to lose excess fat from your body. Exercise can help boost blood flow throughout your body. It can help increase blood circulation to your penis too, and this can increase rigidity of your erections. 2. Try to be carefree. Stress is a major factor when it comes to psychological causes of erectile dysfunction in men. Trying to reduce stress can help boost the strength of your erections a great deal. One of the best ways to control stress is through yoga. Yoga is getting increasingly popular in the West. It is an exercise form that is highly effective in reducing stress and increasing blood circulation in the body. These exercises are called asanas. One of the asanas that is highly effective in curing erectile dysfunction is the sheesh asana. In layman terms, it is a headstand that helps boost blood flow throughout the body, including your penis. You can also try meditation to manage stress in your life. 3. Increasing your staying power. Premature ejaculation can leave you embarrassed and your woman disappointed. It can be a big blow to your confidence since one of the most important aspects of being a man is to be able to satisfy your woman sexually. Here are some simple ways to increase your ejaculatory power. Kegels. These exercises aim to strengthen muscles in your pelvic region. They are highly effective in increasing your ejaculatory control. These exercises are very simple and you can do them anywhere. Just 5 minutes a day is more than enough. You should be able to notice the difference in your staying power within 15 to 20 days by doing these exercises. They can also help increase the force with which you spurt out semen. Stop and start technique. This is a simple yet highly effective method to last longer in bed. Just when you think you are about to reach the point of no return, stop and take a deep breath. A deep breath can help reduce tension and help you relax a bit. You can continue again after a few minutes. You can use this method as many times as you like during intercourse. 4. Try natural male enhancement pills. Natural penis pills are getting increasingly popular since they are safe and effective at the same time. Such pills are a blend of herbal extracts and other natural ingredients that ensure complete sexual enhancement for men. Such pills can help you achieve harder erections, increase your staying power, boost your stamina and libido, increase your semen production and sperm count, etc. However, they work slowly to build your body's reserves over time. You must have them for at least 3 to 4 months to get the best results. Some of the finest pills come with ingredients like bioperine to ensure faster results.